The appearance will mostly rely on the Toyota base vehicle being utilized and the body shop or modifier performing the modification. Toyota does not formally offer a Toyota Motorhome as a full model. We can, however, provide a broad overview of the external features frequently seen in Toyota Motorhome conversions, as well as potential trends for the 2025 model year. Adding a body kit or structure to the back to make more room for living. This might be a pop-up roof or a permanent addition. For ventilation and natural light, the living area's side and back windows have been installed. In addition to the driver and passenger cabin doors, there are side doors that provide direct access to the living space. Ventilation on roofs for the motorhome's interior to have adequate air circulation. Solar panels on the roof to recharge extra batteries. Retractable tents called awnings are used to provide shade outdoors. Ladders, either permanent or foldable, provide convenient access to the bedroom space or side entrance above. Baggage racks on the roof to store extras like bicycles or outdoor equipment. Extra equipment storage bins are affixed to the sides or back. Proper tires and wheels, off-road tires for adventure or more durable tires may be used, depending on the conversion type. For improved illumination, add more lighting, such as work lights, fog lights, or spotlights. Custom images or designs may be included into the body of certain conversions. More integrated design attempts to make the structure's addition appear more cohesive with the vehicle's initial design. Utilizing sturdy and lightweight materials for longevity and fuel economy. To lessen wind resistance, maintain or enhance aerodynamics as much as you can. With a fold-out table, a small kitchen, and a seating area that doubles as a bed, the room is made to be as functional as possible. Sleeping options include a fold-out bed/sofa bed in the center or a fixed bed in the rear or top, if there is a pop-top. There will be wide variations in bed size and kind. Small kitchen usually comes with a small sink with a water faucet, a tiny refrigerator or cooler box, and a 1 or 2 burner stove, electric or portable gas. A little microwave could be included in some more opulent adaptations. A sliding or folding table that doubles as a workspace or dining area and is frequently combined with the seating area. To store clothes, kitchenware, and travel essentials, there are cupboards, drawers, and shelves. Making use of the area above the headboard and beneath the bed is crucial. A tiny bathroom with a fold-down sink, a shower, often tank-powered, and a portable or cassette toilet may be included in some bigger conversions, particularly those that are coaster-based. An inverter to convert DC to AC, a control panel to monitor power use, and extra deep cycle batteries to power appliances. The use of solar panels is growing. Water system, water pump, fresh water tank, and dirty water tank, if a permanent bathroom or sink is present. Roof vents, LED lights inside, and more windows with blinds or shades. For thermal and acoustic comfort, insulating materials are added to the roof, walls, and flooring. Depending on the base vehicle utilized for the modification, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome's engine will differ significantly. The 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that powers the Toyota Hi-Ace is expected to generate about 174 horsepower, 130 kilowatts, and 450 Newton-meters of torque, usually combined with either a manual or automated drivetrain. A 2.4-liter diesel engine is probably a possibility for off-road/adventure motorhomes based on the Toyota Hilux. A 2.8-liter diesel engine that generates about 147 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, and 400 Newton-meters of torque, generating about 500 Newton-meters of torque and 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts. Typically, both engines come with an automatic or manual transmission. There hasn't been a formal announcement, but given the electrification trend, a Toyota hybrid RV prototype may exist in the future. For increased efficiency, if one exists, it will probably combine an electric motor and gasoline engine. Even a hybrid powertrain is mentioned in several online Toyota Motorhome 2025 concept videos.